for you to be a coach, you don't need to be better than the one that you're coaching.
Kumbaga hindi naman kailangan parang na-experience din nila yon.
You just need to know the right questions to ask and the right things to say.
Josh Vasquez, known as the Josh, is a renowned trainer in sales, leadership, and personal development. As a mentor at VoiceBox Training University, he shares expert insights to help individuals and businesses maximize their potential. Through his impactful coaching and mentorship, he continues to inspire and empower professionals to achieve success.
Not everyone's made to become an entrepreneur. Not everyone's made to become an employee. But what we're all made for is to live to our full potential. And our potential means to impact the lives of other people around us. Ito pala yung kailangan ng tao, hindi pera. Kasi a lot of people say they need money to make money.
Kasi yung iba talaga, wala akong ganito, wala akong ganyan. Para masimulan yung isang bagay.
It is what separates highly successful people from people that are average. Highly successful people, they are not afraid to do things that are scary, to step outside of their comfort zone.
What's up mga kasundot? It's another episode na naman tayo dito sa TWPS or Talk with Papa Sundot. At syempre kung mapapansin nyo, in the past episodes natin, talagang minsan nasa labas tayo, at medyo kumbaga kakaiba yung setup natin. So ngayon nagbabalik tayo sa ating tahanan dito sa Talk with Papa Sundot. At syempre dahil dyan, meron na naman tayong bagong guest sa ating episode na to. At nakaka-excite dito sa episode na to, ito makakasama natin ngayon, it's a professional trainer, ayan, sales coach, ay grabe, talagang kilalang kilala rin to sa online. At syempre, ang expertise niya ay more on sales, leadership, at syempre yung personal growth. Ayan, talaga marami tayong matututunan sa episode na to at marami kami mapag-uusapan. So kumapit kayong maigi, siya ang founder or CEO ng VoiceBox Training University. At talagang mahal nating kaibigan nito. Sabi nga namin, para na kaming magkakapatid. At talagang marami na rin kami pinagsamahan. At personally kami, marami kami natutunan. Lalo ako. So hindi na napapatagalin pa. The one and only. Bawal lang Josh ang tawagin sa kanya. So ang nag-iisang, The Josh! Ayun, what's up? Maraming salamat. At natuloy na ang ating podcast ngayon dito sa TWPS. Ay grabe. Talagang alam mo naman, sobrang busy. And
Ay, grabe. This is years in the making, no? But yeah, thank you for inviting me here, Papa Sundot. Iba na nga yung branding mo eh. Dati, hindi pa Papa Sundot. Ngayon sumusundot ka na talaga, no?
Dati saktong mabait lang tayo noon.
Yeah,
Ngayon, sobrang bait na.
Sobrang bait.
Alam niyo na ba't kayo nagkakasundo sa ganyang bagay.
But I'm excited, no? I'm excited for the topics na pag-uusapan natin.
Oo.
Sana maka-add tayo ng value sa mga listeners natin tonight. So if you're watching, or maybe you're listening, welcome.
Yan, welcome sa TWPS.
TWPS.
Alam mo talaga, parang Boy Abunda, no?
Yeah, exciting. Lapit to tayo.
Ayan, onting lapit. So,
right. With steak, we're having steak tonight.
Yes,
guys.
ayan, talagang sabi ko nga itong podcast na to. Special talaga. Ngayon lang tayo nag-steak.
Ngayon lang, yeah.
Usually, quick lang kami dito.
Ngayon, steak kami ngayon.
Steak kami ngayon.
Courtesy of SNR.
Yeah. Shout out SNR, baka naman.
More weekly steak. Thank you.
Magbasog niyo si Papa Sundot at syempre si The Josh.
Yeah.
Ayan, no? Pero ayun, kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay? Boss.
Yeah, grabe. We've known each other for like 4 years.
Yes, oo.
Bilis, no?
Grabe, sobrang bilis.
Grabe.
At dati, kumbaga, ako hindi pa ako married noon. Ikaw
Yeah.
din.
Di pa din ako married noon. Right?
Single mode. Ngayon talagang
Ngayon magwa 1-year-old na ulit yung panglimang anak.
Yes, oo. Ang bilis.
I'm a father of 5 boys. So crazy, grabe. And
Talagang matindi-tindi yan. 5.
So it's been crazy. I mean, God has been good.
Yes.
Always. God is good all the time, no? Madami din challenges na dumating. Iba't ibang season na din yung dumaan sa life.
Totoo. Kahit sa amin di ba?
But, yeah, I think exciting kasi whenever I'm guesting in a podcast, no, it's usually ako yung magtatanong. Mas sanay ako na ako yung nagtatanong. But I enjoy it kapag ako yung natatanong din.
Yun.
Kasi nagkakaroon ng hindsight, yung tipong binabalikan mo, tapos na-realize mo, nga, no, if hindi nangyari to, if hindi naganap yung bagay na yun,
Exactly.
I would not be in the situation that I am right now.
Totoo yan.
So yeah, I'm excited for what's gonna happen today kung saan tayo ma-lead.
Oo. Syempre ito, simulan na ba natin agad to?
Yeah, it's
Automatic.
up to you. Pwede, go.
Bombahan na agad to.
Let's go.
Sundutan na agad to.
Sundutan na agad.
Yung mga nakarang kasing guest namin talaga, more on, alam mo yung mga stories nila, yan, yung mga ano. Actually,
Yeah.
ganun din naman.
Okay.
So, paano nagsimula muna ang voice box bago ang lahat, no? And paano ba tumatakbo ang voice box? Maraming nanonood sa atin na hindi pa alam yung voice box eh.
Okay.
Di ba?
Yeah, okay. Sige. So, basically, I own this company. It's called VoiceBox Training University. It's a training company, no? So what we do basically is we provide training services to organizations, MSMEs, mga small time to big time businesses.
Yes.
At ang service na pinaprovide namin is more on training and coaching. And training and coaching, it's basically this, no? It's like we help people to upgrade their skills. So we teach them skills. Coaching is basically helping them develop the skills that they already have.
Kasi ang daming nalilito sa usapin yan eh. Kung
Yeah.
ano ba yung coaching.
Correct.
Diba?
Kasi inisip ng mga tao na, kasi nauso ngayon yung mga coach.
Yes. Lalo sa online.
Even
ang daming
online.
biglang nagiging coach din syempre.
Correct. And sometimes, dahil sobrang daming ang mga coach na naglalabasan online, nadidevalue yung totoong industry ng coaching.
Yes.
Nawawala yung totoong value ng coaching. Because, for example, and I hope kung nakikinig yung mga, if you're watching and listening right now, coaching kasi it's not just you talking about something that you know. For example, alam ko to, sige, ikaw.
Kumbaga parang sharing lang ng gano'n. Hindi siya gano'n tumatakbo
Yeah, that's
pala.
not coaching. It's an art. It's a science, no? And it's more of you letting the coachee o kung sino man yung tinutulungan mo, you let them understand the solutions that they already have inside of them. So it's more of a skill of questioning.
Okay.
Kumbaga, the more you ask questions, the more that answers will come out. Yun yung coaching. And coaching can also
So palitan talaga siya.
palitan talaga siya. So it's more of 70% I'll be listening to you, 30% I'll be talking to you. That's coaching, no? And when we coach people, when we coach executives, CEOs, even yung mga team leaders, one thing that they have in common is that everyone needs guidance and clarity. Like, everyone needs guidance and clarity. Nakakapagod kasi yung tipong you don't have anyone to talk to.
Tama. Totoo yun.
Especially right now, if people feel connected because they're on social media, na, ang dami kong friends sa Facebook, but the reality is, more people are disconnected right now in the real world.
Tama. Kumbaga dun lang, virtually lang talaga.
Yeah. But coaching is different. It allows people to uncover kung ano ba talaga yung kakayahan nila. Like to see their God-given potential.
Tama.
So I think that's the beauty of coaching, And then training on the other hand is making sure na may skill transfer talaga. Na mapapasa ba natin yung skills sa kanila. And ito, pasok dito yung adult learning theories, yung tinatawag nating andragogy. A lot of people say kasi, kailangan, why would you teach this? Why would you teach that? Ang dami namang nagtuturo ng ganyan.
Yun yung minsan tanong question.
Yeah. But in the first place, why would you listen to a teacher? Right? Why would you listen to a doctor kung wala naman siyang sakit na pinagdadaanan mo? For example, ba't mo ko papagalingin? Nagka-cancer ka na din ba?
Yes. Actually, yan ang natatanong talaga. Lalo sa mga nagtuturo, nagbibigay ng value, di ba?
Yeah.
Naki-question talaga yung mga ganyang bagay.
Bakit mo ko tinuturuan? Mas mayaman ka ba sa akin? Madaming ganyan actually. They don't understand that for you to be a coach, you don't need to be better than the one that you're coaching. You just need to know the right questions to ask and the right things to say. Doon papasok yung totoong beauty ng coaching. Kasi they don't understand na you don't have to be better just for you to help someone. Right? Like for example, ikaw ba? Like, yun nga, balik tayo dun sa doctor na yun.
Nagka-cancer ka na ba?
Or for example, huwag naman cancer, let's say asthma or something, diba? Like,
may asthma ka ba?
may asthma ka ba? Ba't mo ako gagamutin? Right? But because they studied it, right? So they don't necessarily have to have what you're having.
Kumbaga hindi,
For them to
kumbaga
share
hindi
you.
naman kailangan
Yeah.
parang na-experience din nila yon
Yeah.
because napag-aralan nila yung mga bagay na yon.
Yeah. Kaya that's why I always tell people, someone asked me before in a podcast, sabi niya, how do you coach people who are, more successful than you?
Yes.
Sabi ko, well, I don't. Yun ang answer ko. Sabi ko, I don't. The only reason why I will coach someone is unang-una if they are open for coaching. Because if the person is not open for coaching, hindi siya coachable.
Tama.
And how will you say, what do you mean? Paano pag open sila for coaching pero mas successful siya sa'yo in terms of what? Sabi ko, well, in terms of money, let's say mas mayaman siya sa'yo, mas kumikita siya sa'yo, how do you coach that person? Then, you don't talk to that person and say na, tuturuan kita kung paano yumaman if mas mayaman ka sa akin. But I'll talk to you about other areas that you need help on.
Kasi hindi naman perfecto lahat talaga.
No one's perfect. Everyone needs someone. Like, for example, if I need help in accounting, I need to talk to someone who knows accounting. Right? If I need help in leadership, then I need to talk to someone who knows how to become a better leader. Right? And who has experienced how to lead people and who understands human psychology, human behavior, which is what I understand.
So yun talaga yung pinag-aralan mo. Kasi
Yeah.
for sure, minsan, Josh, bakit na-experience mo ba
Yeah.
to? Bakit mo kami tinuturuan ng ganito?
Yeah. Had a lot of people who misunderstand the art of coaching. Hindi siya, kung sino yung pinakamagaling, kung sino yung pinakamayaman, siya lang yung dapat magturo.
Tama.
It's about, hey, who has the passion to help? And anyone who's watching, if you have the passion to help, you can help someone.
I agree.
Diba? Kumbaga, like, if you think about it, no, even Jesus came down. No, he from a God form. If you I wanna compare Jesus to that, no.
Yes. Ganda
Like,
yan. Maganda yan.
From being God, he was still God when he was here, pero he went down just to understand our level, right? But when he understood it, he didn't have to be a sinner to help the sinner,
Tama.
diba? But he knew the way out, and he understood them. He stayed with them. Hindi lang siya, dito lang ako sa mga taong okay na. No? So, I think, importante na maintindihan natin that if people have the passion to help, they can train, they can coach. No? But sa akin, it's more of service. If you are willing to serve people, you can coach them and you can help them.
Totoo yun. Kasi minsan, alam mo yun, may alam ka naman, pero ikaw hindi ka ready magturo sa iba.
Yeah, kasi tinatamad ka magturo.
Yun, di ba?
You can't. If you don't have, kasi communication, it takes a lot of effort. Sobrang effort niyan. Effort siya in the sense na kailangan unang-una, you need to pay attention to your audience. Kasi hindi pwedeng, sige, magsasalita ako kasi ito ako eh. Then you're selfish. Kasi if hindi ka naiintindihan ng mga tao, they don't get the message that you're getting, then you care about no one else but yourself.
So, ibig sabihin parang nagsasalita ka lang ng, hindi mo talaga gustong ibigay sa kanila yung ano.
Your message. Right? But if you are a real communicator, and if you are a real leader, and may paki ka sa gustong matanggap ng mga tao, that the reason why I'm gonna speak, the reason why I'm gonna talk, is because gusto kong mapasa yung mensahe na to sa kanila, then you're gonna do whatever it takes to be understood. Gagawa ka ng way na maintindihan ka nila.
So, ibig sabihin mo dito, ikaw yung accountable talaga.
You're
sa pagbato
accountable.
ng message. No?
You're responsible to be
Responsible.
understood. Yeah.
Tama.
Hindi responsibilidad ng mga taong nakikinig sa'yo na intindihan ka. I always say this a lot. Hindi responsibilidad ng mga tao na nakikinig sa'yo na intindihan ka. Responsibilidad mo na ikaw yung nagsasalita na maintindihan ka nila. So even if sabihin mo na, bobo kasi to, hindi niya ako naintindihan.
Tama.
Or anga-anga to kasi hindi niya ako magets.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang may kasalanan.
Ikaw may kasalanan. Kasi hindi mo in-adjust yung pakikipag-usap mo sa taong kinakausap mo.
Kasi minsan, sinasabi ng iba, ay, hindi mo naintindihan sinasabi ko.
Yeah.
Parang, ang hina mo naman.
Yeah, and then,
Tama yun di ba?
yeah, pero if you're a true leader, you would rephrase that and you would say na, hindi ko kasi pinapaintindi sa'yo ng tama kaya hindi mo naiintindihan. And that's what I'm an expert on, no? So, that's why I train, I keep on studying, I keep on learning about sales, leadership, and personal growth and development. So, that's what my profession is. And VoiceBox started with training one or two people, no? Having my mom as my number one audience.
Wow. So, talaga ang number one na
Yeah,
supporter ng...
my mom was the first supporter talaga siya yung nagbigay ng client, mga
Galing.
client sa Manulife.
Oh.
Yeah, it was the first time that I spoke. Actually, ito yung story na no. So I spoke to an audience of insurance managers. Yeah, so sales managers tong mga to. And itong mga sales managers, I charge them for like an hour of talk. I charge them around 5,000.
Okay.
Laki na yun. Sabi ko,
Oo.
wow, 5,000.
Lalo yung mga, kailan yan? Anong taon yan?
2000 and, I don't know, like 18?
Okay.
I believe this was 2018, no? And then, lalo ko pa yun. Tuwan-tuwa ako na nakatanggap ako nun. Pero yung confidence ko, syempre wala pa kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko hugutin yung
Yes.
confidence ko. Like,
Lalo bagong-bago.
bagong-bago and I'd be speaking to them. Tapos sila mga sales managers, dami nila nabenta. Alam mo kung saan
Kumbaga may experience na sila.
Yeah. Alam mo kung saan ako humugot ng confidence.
Saan yan?
Inisip ko na lang na sabi ko, I have confidence
Mhm.
because I was able to sell myself in front of you.
Galing na. Totoo nga naman.
Diba like, kung hindi ako marunong magbenta, I wouldn't be speaking to you.
Tama.
Right? So, that's where I got my confidence.
So doon na.
Yeah,
Dire-diretso
that's
na
where it started. Sabi ko, if I had the right confidence, then I can help as many people as I can. And I can put myself in front of people only if I have confidence.
Galing nun. Baga, doon nagsimula talaga lahat ng ano eh. No? Si
Yeah.
The Josh.
Yeah, that's
Doon
where it
nagsimula si The
started.
Josh
Oo.
talaga.
Doon talaga siya doon siya nag-umpisa. When I started seeing the need for people to be coached and to be trained.
And yung result nun talagang sinabi nila natuto talaga sila.
Yeah.
Another confidence din sa'yo. No?
Yeah.
Eh, so after that, no, doon muna na tutunan na parang, uy, pwede nang simulan yung voice box or nasa isip mo na ba nun yung voice box that time na nasimulan mo yan?
Okay. You mean like the actual like paano siya nag-start?
Oo, kasi di ba sabi mo after dun sa
Yeah,
Manulife, tama ba? Yung
Yeah.
unang kliyente mo.
Yeah, hindi doon nag-start yung It was just one of my first clients.
Yeah, okay.
But nag-start siya when my best friend and I, we went to Tomas Morato.
Okay.
Nakita ko na ba sa'yo?
Hindi pa. Ano yung nangyari sa Tomas Morato?
So how did VoiceBox start na? Hindi ito VoiceBox Training University before. So Tomas Morato, we're college people. We're college guys, no? And my best friend's name is Waldo.
Si Waldo. Bakit naalala ko yung sa Timpay mo si Waldo?
Oh, totoo. Waldo
Talaga,
talaga.
Waldo
pangalan
talaga.
niya.
Okay.
Wala na siya dito sa Pilipinas. Wala na siya.
Mhm. Ano, wala na siya sa Pilipinas?
Sa Pilipinas.
Kinakabahan ako.
Wala na siya sa Pilipinas. Wala na siya sa VoiceBox. No? But he was the co-founder of VoiceBox. Kami mag-best
Ngayon ko lang
friend.
nalaman yan.
Totoo. Ngayon lang.
Oo.
So kami yung tipong party guys talaga.
Sa Tomas Morato, party-party. mga
College. Hindi man party. Good boy pa rin kahit paano. Pero mas- kami, so we were in college and we studied in Lyceum, LPU.
Mhm.
So, ewan ko, parang iba talaga yung mundo namin. Abnormal kami.
Parang may gusto ko yung laging something na kakaiba.
May gusto
ganun.
kaming lagi kakaiba na gawin na. So, there's this one time and I was already staying with him.
Mhm.
I was staying with him. I stayed in his condo, no? Kasi nandun siya sa Grass Residences in SM North dati.
Oo, yan.
Alam mo yan,
Sa
alam mo
gilid
yan?
ng SM
Gilid
North.
na yun, SM North. So I stayed there for like around, I think about 2 years or something.
Oh, tagal din.
Yeah. Or maybe 1 year. Pero that's maybe 1 year. I think a year. But, ito yung story nun. Bago kami lumabas, bago kami mag-clubbing, bar, pre-game sa condo,
Okay.
gin. Kailangan medyo may amats ka na bago
So
ka
parang
lumabas.
nagpapainit na bago lumabas ng mga
Oo,
panahon.
para happy ka na. Saka para hindi ka na masyado uminom. Kasi
Okay.
mahal.
Oo. So para tipid
Para tipid. O, yan
hack pala yun sa mga ganyan. No?
Hack yun. So, kailangan. Kasi, estudyante ka
Oo,
diba?
oo.
So, yan. Tapos, there's this one time we went to this place. Wala na yung place na yun, nag-close na.
Mhm.
But in Tomas Morato, there was a place there, a bar.
Mhm.
I still remember the name of the bar kasi super memorable na to. Nix 05.
Hindi ko na
Di mo
naabutan, hindi ko
naabutan?
na narinig.
Pero alam mo yung office ngayon nila, naging office ng Tier 1.
Okay.
Tier 1 ni Alodia.
Yung kainan ba yan? O iba pa yan?
Hindi, Tier 1 ni Alodia, yung sa
Oo
taas.
nga. Okay.
Yung parang gamers lounge.
Yes,
na,
Sa ang pangalan nito? Sikat na sikat, kinakainan din namin lagi sa pinagbimitigan lagi.
Hindi high grounds, hindi
Hindi
high grounds.
high grounds, iba pa yun.
Iba yun.
Ay, hindi ko alam yan.
Ano yun, building yun eh. So, nasa taas, nandun yung Nix 05 na bar. So, makit kami, may elevator pa nga eh.
Mhm.
Tapos, pag punta namin, ganda ng place, ganda ng bar. Kaya lang, may problema.
Ano yung problema?
Walang tao. Kami lang yun nandun.
Kayong dalawa na yung pa-party.
Kami na
Napakaganda pero walang laman.
Ganda, parang yung tipong pang BGC yung style
Oo.
ng ano, ng...
Lalo yung mga panahon na yun siguro, no?
Oo, like, ganda, sabi ko ganda dito. Kaya lang, ng tao. Kasi kahit, siguro location din, kasi sa taas kailangan pa umakyat.
Mhm.
So, nandun kami, uminom kami, no? Uminom. Doon kami sa bar. Kausap namin yung mga waiter. Sabi ko,
Oo.
Kuya, sino ba yung owner dito? Ganun ang place na to. Tapos yung owner, nasakto namin, nandun sa smoking area.
Oh.
Yung time na nun, papakul pa kami. No?
Oo.
Sabi ko, sige pa na tayo nun. Siya, CR siya. Tapos yung best friend ko yung kasama ko, si Waldo. Ano pangalan? Si Waldo.
Si Waldo.
Waldo, yes. Tama. Waldo.
Isa siya. Waldo.
Waldo. Social.
Kasi kala ko pag kay Kong TV, Waldo.
Kami, konyo-konyo kami nun.
Oo, yun. Medyo social yun dati.
Medyo konyo talaga kami. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kahit sa school kami lang yung konyo.
Kayo mag-best friend
Kami
talaga.
mag-best friend. Pag nag-uusap kami, nagsiswitch kami. Kala mo manonood ka ng movie. Ganun kami mag-usap.
Yung mga social na, mga nasa school.
Oo, like,
Arneo, ganyan.
super opening. Anyway, dami experience. Ito nga, you know what happened?
Mhm.
Dumating sa point na pinuntahan namin yung owner. Tapos tinanong namin. Actually, yung isa, parang Korean yata or Chinese.
Mhm.
Tapos yung kasama niya, Pinay, na manager. Sabi ko,
Mga partners nila yun siguro.
mag-partner sila. Sabi ko, doon kami sa smoking area. Hinintay namin sila matapos mag-usap. Tapos sabi ko, hey, are you guys the owner of this place? Yes. Yan. Umalis na yung foreigner.
Mhm.
So, naiwan doon yung babae. Babae na owner. Siya
Mhm.
pala yung head manager doon.
Oh.
Ah.
Owner na. Siya pa yung
Owner, parang ano din siya, partner siguro. Partner. Kasi may foreigner silang partner. Sabi ko, you have a nice place. Ganda, sabi ko. Grabe, it's a beautiful place. Sabi niya, thank you. Sabi ko, but you know what? You have a problem. Sabi niya, what do you mean? You have a big problem. Sabi niya, what is it? You don't have customers.
Mhm.
Sabi ko, gano'n.
Walang laman.
Oo, wala laman.
Napakaganda ng lugar eh.
Tapos sabi niya, obvious nga eh. Parang gano'n yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya, yeah, actually, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're working on. We don't have customers. Sabi ko, well, guess what? It's your lucky day. Legit ah. Sabi ko, guess what? It's your lucky day. Sabi niya, why? We can help you get customers. Yaman kami nun.
So kaya yung lakas din ng loob na sabihin yun.
We can help you get customers. We're experts.
Expert na agad.
Expert na agad. We can help you get customers. We're experts. You see, we have a marketing company.
Oh.
Pero wala
talaga
kaming
nag-exist.
company. Sabi niya, yeah. And then, kakapapasok lang galing ng CR.
Mhm.
Sabi ko, this is my partner.
Paglabas, siya na yung partner.
Pero yung best friend ko kasi, siya yung tipong, titingin lang siya sa akin, gets niya na ako ng
Oo,
gagawin.
nagkakaintindihan na kayo.
Alam mo yung gano'n. Alam mo yung gano'n, yung tipong, tingin na lang kayo parang gets
Alam ko na to.
Alam ko na, connected kayo.
Kumbaga, let's
Ganun.
go, let's do it.
Yeah. Ako sabi ko, this is my business partner, Waldo. Waldo, this is blank. Sabi niya, nice to meet you. Kamay na
Nagkaroon
agad.
agad ng biglang negosyo ng dalawa, no?
Ganun na agad, like, dapat siya, nice to meet you. Ganun. It's a beautiful place. Sabi ko, yeah, that's what I told them. I told them we can help them get customers. Sabi niya, yeah. Tapos, yung babae, parang hindi na alam kung maniniwala siya. Sabi niya, hindi. Nagtanong siya, alam mo, sabi niya, what's the name of your company?
Ayun na. Sino una sumagot? Siyempre,
Ako.
ikaw na.
Sabi ko, tumingin ako sa sa best friend ko. Sabi ko,
Parang napasubo tayo dito, best friend, ha?
Sabi ko, voice. Tapos tumingin siya, box.
So siya nagbanggit ng box.
Kasi may mga box sa likod. Kasi voice, kasi may
Talaga?
yeah, voice box.
Ganda.
Voice
Ganda
box.
pakinggan.
Sabi ko, tapos isip kami, voice box. Hindi namin alam ang ibig sabihin ng voice box.
Wala talaga.
Pero yung voice box, yun pala, nung research namin, part yun ng bibig part yun ng throat natin
Mhm.
na nagkakos ng vibration. Na the reason why we make sound is because of our voice box.
Ang galing.
So we cannot talk, we cannot make a sound, we cannot be louder without voice box.
Ang galing nun. Saktong-sakto.
Sakto. Mascom kami. Broadcasting kami.
At that time, Mascom. So talagang konektado talaga mismo.
Konektado. Sabi ko, voice box. Do you have a card? Yun yung sunod na tanong.
Ikaw pa yung naghanap ng card?
Hindi, kami hinanapan.
Silang
Hinanapan,
naghanap?
no?
Oh
Sabi,
my
do
goodness.
you have a business card?
Anong sinabi niyo? Siyempre, wala pa talaga.
Wala talaga. Sabi naman, oh, man. You know what? We had a lot of meetings today. We gave out all the cards. But don't worry, we can get your number and we'll send you a proposal.
Ang lupit. Naisip agad yun.
Bilis kami mag-isip. So, yan. So, yeah, we'll give you a proposal. We're connected with a lot of influencers. We'll bring some ladies here. Dadalhan yung mga babae dito para, kasi diba pag ladies night, para mag-attract ng mga pupunta,
Yes,
diba?
yung mga paparty
Yeah,
doon.
we'll bring some DJs. We got that. Pero abang sinasabi namin yun, parang tipong tinatanong namin yung sarili
Kinakabahan na rin.
paano natin gagawin? Parang ganon. Kasi iniisip ko na mamimigay ng flyers. Kami mismo yung mamimigay ng flyers. Akit kayo dun guys.
Parang makakasa sa
Parang awa nyo na, punta kayo dun. So, noong time na yun, hinintay, hanggang sa nagbabay na kami, labas kami, pagbaba namin, tingin-tingin kami, kung nakatingin pa sa amin. Parang tipo, wag ka muna mag-react. Okay, let's get down. Let's act cool. They might be looking at
So
us.
parang normal na talagang
Normal
may-ari
lang.
ng kumpanya na.
Normal lang. Tapos nung nakalabas na kami, medyo malayo na, tawa kami ng tawa. We were laughing. It was so crazy. Pero that's when it hit us. That first meeting was worth 200,000.
Wow.
Siyempre, hindi namin na-close.
Pero, yun talaga yung simula nun.
Pero hindi man namin siya na-close, may iba kaming mas nakuhang valuable. Lakas ng loob.
Oo, tama.
Na kapag sineryoso mo, kapag kinausap mo and naniwala ka sa sinasabi mo, makikinig sa'yo.
Yes.
Solid. Sabi ko, ito pala yung kailangan ng tao. Hindi pera. Kasi a lot of people say they need money to make
Tama.
money. Hindi. Kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob kumausap sa ibang tao. Yung confidence mo, ito yung nagsiseparate sa mga taong successful at sa mga taong average lang eh. No?
Kasi yung iba talaga, wala akong ganito, wala akong ganyan. Para
Kaya-
masimulan yung isang bagay.
Yeah. Don't even f***ing talk to me, bro. Huwag kang tamad. Sorry, iba pala.
Parang ano yun iba yun.
Cut mo yun.
Parang kilala ko yun.
Ibang Josh yun. Ibang Josh
pala yun.
Ibang Josh yun.
Hindi si The Josh yun.
Sorry. Ang totoo nun, this is what separates highly successful people from people that are average. Highly successful people, they are not afraid to do things that are scary. They are not afraid to step outside of their comfort zone.
Yung sinasabi nilang mga baliw na
Yun
mag-isip.
talaga. Baliw. And at that time, we may be half tipsy. Siguro medyo tipsy kami nun. Pero we were sure about what we wanted. Kasi before namin kausapin yun, ang sabi namin sa isa't isa, dude, di tayo forever magtatrabaho.
So naiisip nyo na yun that time.
Sabi, we're not just gonna work at a company forever. We're gonna build something ourselves. We're gonna build something. Saan ba tayo magaling? Magaling tayo kumusap ng tao. Okay, let's do it. So, kasi nung mga time na yun, ang dami namin, nagpa-party crush kami.
Lupit.
Doon namin ginawa yung lakas ng loob. Party crush, hindi pong pag may party, sa backstage kami papasok, tapos makikiparty kami.
Hindi nyo kilala kung
Hindi naman
sino.
kilala. Pero pa isang beses, one time, no, like, pag may mamakita kami yung mga babae, I'm happily married. The before,
Before to.
Before,
Para safe
before.
to sa,
Para safe.
para safe kami pareho dito.
hindi, sa school naman, safe naman to. Kasi
Matagal na ang panahon.
Yung mga girls na makikita namin, oh my gosh, makikita sila ng mga babae.
Oo.
Uy, tagal na natin hindi nakita. Yakapan sila. Pag nagyakapan sila, yakapan yung dalawang babae, diba? Makikita namin dalawa ng best friend ko. Ano mo gagawin namin? Gagayahin namin, oh my gosh! Yakapin namin sa gilid na. Doon niya naging girlfriend yung ex niya.
Oh my goodness.
Doon niya
Instant?
Instant, oo. Kasi, as in, ganun kaming kumuha ng attention ng mga tao. Nauso kasi
Kumbaga ina-attract nyo talaga sila.
si The
Parang
Josh
ganun.
Prankster dati.
Talaga?
Yeah. Sa mall.
Parang ginagawa ni
Mga
The
videos
Josh.
ako.
Nakasipa sa'yo. Parang gusto na yung
Secret
mapanood
files
yan.
na yun eh.
Parang gusto ko mapanood yung mga pranks ano na yan.
Secret files
So
yan.
bago pang Tokomi, may The Josh ng prankster dati.
Meron na. Oo, like, as in, iiyak ako sa harap ng
Parang di ko kaya.
Ganon, as school, college yun, biglang iyak ako. Sabi ko, I miss my mother. Can I get a hug? Gaganon ako. Iyakapin naman ako.
So, naniniwala.
Tapos, naniniwala. Okay, mga girls yun. Tapos sasabihin ko, titingin pa ako, can you be my mama? Ganon, ibang level ng mga prank yung mga sa amin na.
Parang ano yun, hindi mo alam kung mauuwi sa seryosohan yung prank na yun.
Ito yung mga time na parang we realize na sabi ko, man, grabe. If you were confident,
Kaya mo palang gawin ng isang bagay.
powerful. Confidence is so powerful.
Di mo naman inabutan ng pera yun. Di mo naman pinakita ng pera yung tao na yun.
And even yung mga clients.
Mhm.
Kasi people are attracted to confidence. Kaya doon namin binild. Kaya lang, ang kulang sa amin doon, kaya hindi namin na-close.
Mhm.
Wala kaming skills.
Yun.
Hindi namin kaya i-fulfill kung ano yung sinasabi namin.
Kumbaga, ano
Salita
pa lang
lang
yun eh. Parang iniisip nyo lang na kaya nyo pero wala pa talaga.
Correct. Hindi namin mabackupan.
Mhm.
Hindi namin mabackupan ng gawa.
Mhm.
Right? So that's where we saw the opportunity. Nasabi ko, okay, we're gonna build on our skills. We're gonna build on what we can do. Kasi malaking potential na ito eh.
Mhm.
If we can serve people, so nakikinig na ako ng mga motivational talks, no? Hindi man nag-work yung unang 200,000 a day.
Mhm.
Sabi ko, sige, let's just serve people. So ang mga time na yun, before sinusubukan namin mag-market sa mga tao, Nuwatay. Alam mo yung Nuwatay? Nuwatay doon sa condo. Sabi namin, we can help you get customers.
Ang galing.
Ganon.
So kahit massage ano pa yan, business.
Kahit anong business.
Kahit anong
pa.
business, parang papasukin nyo, susubukan nyo talagang.
Aquabest, yung mga ganon. Sabi ko, we can help you sell water. Tapos hanggang sa pumasok sa, di ba, marketing.
Mhm.
Tapos naging events. Hosting, nag-host ako.
Talaga?
Oo,
so doon
host
talaga
ako.
nagdahan-dahan na build mo yung confidence.
Yeah, doon na-build yung confidence. Kasi now, ang mga kausap ko is yung mga organizer, company organizer. So yung mga owner, yung executives, ganyan, sabi nila. So natutuwa sila. Bank managers.
Umabot pa doon sa ganung
Yeah,
punto.
PNB, naalala ko yan. Mga first few clients ko yan. Pero hindi ko pa sila nakuha as and training. Nakuha ko lang sila for hosting lang. So sabi ko, eventually, I'm just gonna keep building myself. Kasi for sure, totoy pa yung tingin nila sa
Oo.
akin eh. Diba?
Lalo ng mga panahon na yun.
Ano panahon na yun? Like,
Yung video na pinakita mo, talagang batang-bata pa nun.
so, that's where I built VoiceBox, no? It's showing myself, giving myself small steps and small confidence.
Mhm.
Small evidence pala.
Mhm.
Maliliit na ebidensya na kaya ko.
Dahan-dahan.
Dahan-dahan. Kaya kong kumausap sa gandang tao. Kaya kong kumausap sa gandang tao. Kaya kong kumausap sa gandang tao. Ngayon, san tutungo tong pag-uusap namin? Dapat ang sunod ko ng sagutin is, kaya kong gawin to para sa taong to. Kaya kong gawin to para sa taong to. That's when I started listening to Jim Rohn.
Okay.
Kilala mo si Jim Rohn, right? Jim Rohn, the father of personal development, Napoleon Hill. I started reading books. Kiyosaki, Richard Porte, Assets and Liabilities.
So talagang pinag-aralan mo na lahat.
Yeah.
Kumbaga binusog mo na rin yung
Binusog
sarili
ko
mo.
kasi sabi ko, kung gagawin na natin to, gawin na natin na totoo.
Tama.
So sa YouTube, babad ako sa YouTube University, Google University.
Totoo yan. Noon pa nag-exist talaga yan.
Doon pa ngayon yung mga,
Diba?
grabe. YouTube University talaga ever since. And doon ko na-realize, kasi sabi ni, I believe it was Jim Rohn, sabi niya, the fastest way to become a millionaire is to help a million people.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's impossible. Pero sabi niya, but that's the goal basically. So technically, ang concept nun, I mean, it's hard to help a million people, but if you can help 1,000 people, 100 people, then that's good. Kumbaga, find a way where you can help as many people as you can and the value will come back to you.
Tama.
Doon pumasok yung idea ko na sabi ko, nga, no? So, ang business pala is simple lang. Ang business pala is, if may problema, solusyonan mo, i-offer mo yung solusyon mo sa kanila.
Doon mo nakita talaga yun.
And that's it. Sabi
Galing.
ko, okay.
Totoo yun.
So why are people hiring us to become a host? Because they don't have a host.
Hindi nila kaya mag-host.
Yeah. Why are people, videography pa ako, nag-edit na ako ng videos before.
So ikaw pa gumagawa nun.
Oo, nag-edit nun. Tapos sabi ko, first videos ng VoiceBox yun, sabi ko, okay, what's next? Let's do the vlogs. let's do the vlogs. And that's where it hit us na, kasi I was listening to Grant Cardone at that time na yan eh. So sabi ko, okay, since we're doing vlogs, seryosohin na natin siya.
Okay.
So ang naging role na ni Waldo nun is siya yung video. Since ako na
Siya
yung
ng
nagtitraining.
cameraman, ikaw yung maharap doon.
Yes sir, this is it. That's him.
Siya si Waldo.
Ito si Waldo.
Oh my goodness!
I-play mo na natin sana.
Josh Bal.
Joshua.
Joshua pala, Joshua. Ngayon ko lang nakita si Waldo sa 4 na taon na magkakilala kami.
Seryoso, never ko pa nakwento.
Never.
Oh man, look at that, that's me oh.
Message me. You didn't go home.
So nag-vlog talaga kayo.
Nagpa-vlog talaga. Malungkot na
Anong
ako kasi
taon to?
hindi na
Anong taon to?
2000 and what? And ano to? This is year 2000 and 5 years ago.
Oh.
5 years ago. Look at that. Yan yung condo. Tapos tignan mo kung saan kami pupunta. Yan siya. Ganyan yung personality niya. Opposite kami.
Okay.
Ako yung medyo parang formal.
Oo. Siya yung makulit-kulit.
Makulit. Oh, so ganun yung personality namin. Hands sa grass.
Ang galing na keep nyo pa rin yan.
Workout. Kasi nakikinig. Gising kami. 5 a.m. Ganun.
So routine nyo talaga.
Ito ba to?
So,
Meron pa to?
yung buong routine nyo dyan, that time, talaga yun yung pinapakita nyo rin dyan.
Starting of voice box kami lang dalawa.
Grabe.
Yan o.
It was amazing.
Di ko alam talaga yun.
May napanood ganito nakakayak.
Totoo yun.
So what's up? Grabe.
Napanood ko ngayon kung paano talaga sila nag-start.
Yeah, that's where it started.
I think pwede ba natin i-flash yan sa kanila?
Pwede.
Ayun, so
ibang
mapanood
parts.
kung paano talaga nag-start, no? Ayan.
Nag-guesting kami. Nakikipag-usap lang sa mga I forgot his DJ, B-Boy, sa MOR.
Okay. Oo, kilala ko.
MOR. So nagtatanong na kung paano kami makakapag Naalala ko yan. Tapos,
Pero that time, nag-aaral pa kayo nun.
yes.
Oh, pinagsasabayan nyo.
Yes.
So dumidiskarte ka na rin that
Yes.
time na. Ang galing
Yeah.
Galing.
Working student kami nun, like 3 hours of sleep every day.
Wow.
Crazy.
So every day, kung may kliyenteng magpapatrain,
Hindi, pero wala pa kasing training na. We just don't know.
so hindi nyo pa alam na
Yeah.
nagtitrain na pala kayo ng mga...
Pero sinimulan ko siya actually kasi voice box, training and events.
Mhm.
Hindi pang private training. Public
Kasi sabi mo
training
nga,
pa lang.
nag-host ka that time eh.
Yeah, so we did public training. So yung public training na yun, it's more of gagawa ko ng event, tapos papatendin ko yung mga tao. 500 pesos per head.
Oh. Saan nyo kinukuha yung mga tao atin?
yung mga estudyante ko dati sa company.
Parang opera nyo ng meron kayong public training, ganyan.
Tsaka yung mga mag-anak ko.
At least sumusuporta ang mag-anak
Yeah.
talaga. Oh, grabe, galing
Yeah, that's how it started.
Sila ang unang naniwala talaga rin sa'yo nun, no?
Yeah, pero grabe yung realization ko nun. Siguro if I were to go back and try to do things again, may mga bagay din akong babaguhin eh. Like, I would have learned more inside the company. Kasi madaming tao na, uso na ngayon, parang gusto ko maging negosyante, I wanna be an entrepreneur.
Yes. Lalo ngayon sa social media kasi nakikita na minsan yung mga dating ayaw magnegosyo,
Yeah.
na-impluensyahan na ng mga ibang tao, ibang nagdinegosyo rin. Na-inspire din yung iba.
Nakaka-inspire naman talaga. I want that. Yeah, nakaka-inspire lalo na if one of the things that really drive people is pain. If there's something painful in your life, alis ka eh.
Tama.
Diba? So I think that's important. Importante na people get to understand what should drive me. What's something painful in my life na gusto kong iwasan.
And with that, no, sa'yo, ano yung pinaka naging, syempre, pain mo at that time, no?
Mine was my mother. No? Kasi I was raised by a single mother. No? So shout out to all the solo parents out there.
Mga single parents dyan.
Mga
nanonood sa
magigiting
atin.
na solo moms.
Saludo tayo dyan.
Yeah, and solo dads as well. Grabe, like, sabi ko, I wanna give a good life to my mom kahit papaano. Kasi I know that she was, having a hard time. Putting me in school, giving me, tuition. Ba? So one of the things that I really felt noon was I just wanted to get out of this situation.
So talagang, kumbaga,
Yeah.
nararamdaman mo rin siguro yung panahon na yun na...
Yeah, kasi nakakapagod eh. Dumating sa point na hindi ko na, I hated my boss. Nalipat ako sa company eh. May ibang story naman yun. Pero nalipat ako I hated my boss. I hated my teammates. Sabi nila, promote nila ako pero hindi naman ako na-promote.
Oh, so parang dumating sa time na umaasa ka na dun sa sinasabi ng ibang tao.
Umaasa ako, tapos tapos wala. So, I was so frustrated. I was stressed. Quick story. Can I share the background on?
Yes,
So, yeah, ito yung background no. Diba before I moved to QC, MOA ako.
Layo, ah.
Yeah. Kasi-
Manila. Mismong
Pasay,
Manila,
Pasay, diba?
Pasay pala.
Kasi we lived in Las Piñas.
So from Pasay to Las Piñas.
From Las Piñas to Pasay, tapos school ko was Intramuros.
Aha.
So linya lang siya, 'di ba? So I lived in Las Piñas. Doon yung lola, tsaka yung mama ko.
Doon ka nakatira talaga.
Yeah, doon ako nakastay. Tapos my school, my office was in MOA. And then my school was in Intramuros.
Parang patusok na ganun.
Yeah, tapos pabalik.
Mhm.
It was okay. Naalala ko pa, nagko-commute ako. Yung tipong patulog sila, ako kailangan pumasok. So mag-goodbye ako sa kanya. Bye-bye. Tapos sila patulog na ako. Like, I was going to work, no? Kasi ang shift ko nun was 10 p.m. to, I remember, 7.
10 p.m. to 7 a.m. na to.
Yeah, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Usually matatapos na yung shift ko, mga 8 na yan eh. May mga huddle pa yan. So like, I have to leave. Kailangan na umalis ako ng mga an hour usually. So I need to leave mga 8:30 ganun.
Mhm.
So I have to leave ng 8:30. And then I have, after nun, 8:30. So imagine mo, 10:30. No? Gising ako nun mga 7. Imagine mo, gising ako ng 7 na. And then, kasi I have to prep, or kahit mga 7:30 ganun. So I have an hour. And then, after nun, I would spend 10 o'clock to around 8 a.m. working,
Mhm.
answering calls, handling customer service,
So, call
doing
center
sales.
ka nun. Call center ka.
Yeah,
oh.
call center yun. Doon ako nahasa. Nahasa ako sobra doon. In terms of how I can be patient. Kasi mumurahin ako doon eh.
Iba-ibang ano talaga.
Iba talaga. Like, hi, thank you for calling. My name is Josh. How can I serve you? I'm glad you're happy. Gagano'n sa akin. How can I help you? Well, you can't. Why? Because you're a stupid guy. Sir, how can I help you, sir? Well, my bill, my bill's not
Bagay, iba-iba
supposed...
talaga yung
Iba-iba.
maririnig mong ano.
Tapos, isa pa doon, like,
Siyempre, puyat ka pa nung
isa,
pagod ka
first
na.
call ko noon, like, sabi ko, excited ako. I want to serve this person. Nakangiti pa ako noon.
Oo, excited pa.
Yeah, tapos sabi, what's your name? Josh. Where are you from? Oh, the Philippines. Masaya ako kasi bagets pa din ako. Mga 18 years old ako. Oh, you're Filipino. Yeah, I'm a Filipino. How can I serve you? Josh, you're the stupidest Filipino alive. F you. Ganon. As in, puro mura. Like, hindi pong,
Nagulantang ka talaga.
imagine mo call yun. Tapos, yung dugo ko, nafe-feel ko, umaakit na dito sa ulo ko.
Parang nagsishake.
Parang
Kumukulo na rin yung dugo mo.
pero never akong nagmura sa mga customer. Kasi may mga ganun mali yun Like, kasi mag-mute sila, tapos mumurahin na mali yun. Sobrang mali yun. Doon ako natuto. Kaya lahat ng tinuturo ko ngayon, na-experience ko.
Mhm.
Kaya may lakas ako na loob. Kaya no one can say na na-experience mo. Yes, na-experience. Kasi yun yung tinuturo ko eh. And I still experience it kasi I still handle customers.
Yes.
Kanina nga lang, I was just handling an irate client
Mhm.
for a client of mine. Yung client ng client ko.
Client na ng client.
Client ng client ko. Siyempre, kasi ako yung consultant nila, ako yung trainer nila. So I was handling this one of our VVIP clients talaga.
Then
na-
sila, yung kliyente naman nila.
yung kliyente
So yun
nila,
naman yung...
yung problema.
Gets.
Gusto na silang kasuhan.
Oh.
Yeah. Doctor and parang mataas na position So parang like, ay, this aren't good. Yan. So I had to intervene.
So, kumbaga hindi lang dun sa kliyente mo, talagang tumutulong ka na rin. Dun sa kliyente na rin nila kung paano mariresolve yun.
Yeah, kasi ngayon, yung panalo ng kliyente ko, panalo ko.
Tama.
Right? So that's how we serve people.
Galing.
So imagine mo, like, sobrang thank you siya kasi ako yung tumawag eh.
Mhm.
Naka-call kami lahat. Tapos ako yung nagsasalita.
Mhm.
Parang ako yung technically abogado nila.
Ang galing.
Pero, customer service, customer experience. So from, ma'am, galit na galit, pagkatapos ng call, thank you.
Ang galing.
So, galit na. Tapos, yun, this Tuesday, magdi-dinner kami kasama yung kliyente na nagreklamo.
So, parang naging masaya pa.
Yeah.
Nabaliktad yung sitwasyon.
Nabaligtad yung situation. Gusto ng kasuhan, gusto ng, as in bad review on
So,
Facebook.
ibig sabihin nito, minsan depende rin sa pakikipag-usap talaga.
Oh yeah. Doon ko natutunan yun. So to go back, lahat ng na-experience ko ngayon, and that's what people pay me for.
Tama.
No?
Hindi na nila kailangan pagdaanan pa yung mga ganun bagay.
Yeah. And kasi imagine mo, mas mahal yun kung
Magkasuhan na. Or
matulfo ka
magkademanda.
ba, demandahan.
Tama yun.
Diba? brand mo pa lang, bagsak yan.
Mm.
You know what happened
Apektado talaga.
to Gili, di ba?
Mhm.
Kung na-handle na maayos yun.
Tama. Hindi na kasi na-responsa na maayos yun eh.
Yeah, same thing happened. So, yun, natutunan ko yun dun sa call center. Imagine mo yun, 8 o'clock, after 8 o'clock, okay, I have to be in school. By around 1 o'clock.
Mhm. So may ilang oras na lang
Yeah.
na natitira.
Yeah, so I have a few hours there. No? So, matapos ako ng, sabihin natin, 8 or 9. Matapos ako ng 8 or 9, 9, 10, 11. Alas ako ng mga 12. Okay. I got 3 hours. Yung 3 hours na yun, hindi ko pinapalagpas yun. I sleep.
Kailangan magpahinga
Nap
talaga.
ako.
Mhm.
Nap.
Saan ka nagpapahinga na nun?
May sleeping quarters kami.
Oh.
May sleeping quarters kami dun sa company. Kaya masaya ako. Kaya
Galing
ngayon,
nun ah.
yeah, ako may sleeping quarters. Lazy boy.
Ang lupit.
Suki ako ng sleeping quarters kasi bawat tulog na pwede kong makuha, tinutulog ko. Kasi 3 hours a day yung tulog ko eh. So after na, diretso na ako school.
Parang nakaw natulog pa nga. yun.
Nakatulog. Tapos pati yung breaks ko, sa bawat, kasi yung break namin 15 minutes.
Mhm.
Whenever I have a 15-minute break, susulitin ko. Tulog ako minsan sa ilalim ng table. Isang beses pa na, nahuli ako ng client.
Mhm.
Client namin sa center, mga American.
Oo. Dumating sila.
Dumating, tumitingin, tapos ako. May mga ilang times pa na may kausap akong customer.
Oo.
Ina-assist ko. Habang ina-assist ko, nakatingin ako sa computer, di ba?
Mga bagsak na talaga.
Tulog na. Tapos marinig ko na lang, parang kala mo nag-teleport na ako.
Oo.
Alam mo kung bakit? Ano sinasabi? Ito na yung sinasabi. Hello? Hello?
Hinahanap na yung kausap.
Are you still there? Are you snoring?
So, umihilik. Ang may kausap.
Legit.
Dumating sa ganung punto.
Promise mga dalawang
Grabe
beses,
yun,
tatlong beses
grabe.
yata. Tapos
So,
sasabihin ko,
antok na antok talaga.
ako pinakabata. So parang bunso nila ako din sa team.
Siguro nagtataka rin siya.
Oo. Kaya iningatan din ako noon. Parang like, "Oy, how are you, Josh?"
So, naiintindihan ka rin nila.
Hindi na nila ako sa, "Josh,
Galing.
tulugan mo na dyan sa ilalim." Parang mga ate ko na sila, ate, kuya.
At the very young age,
Yeah.
na-experience mo rin ganung bagay.
So I did that for 6 months. Bago ako ma-promote bilang trainer.
Oh.
Ginaling ako. Kaya daming parang, kasi focus ko numbers lang. Hindi ko pinapakialaman kung ano. Hindi ako nagko-compare.
Mhm.
Basta ang ginawa ko lang, I'll do my best.
Mhm.
At ako din yung may pinakamatanong. As in, kung tatanungin ko talaga, paano kung ganito, paano kung ganito?
Inaalam mo talaga yung mga bagay.
Tapos, syempre, may skill na ako sa pagsasalita.
Mhm.
Tinodo ko doon. Galing ko bumenta. Galing ko.
Ang lupit.
Tapos, so yan. I loved it. Enjoy ako. Naging trainer ako. Enjoyed time with the people there.
Mhm.
And here's the shift. Dahil sobrang ganda ng performance ko, I got different promotions. Hindi pala promotions. Awards.
Oh.
Yeah, so parang top trainer.
Mhm.
So,
So, mga kakaibang binigay
yeah,
sa'yo.
so family na yung tinuturing ko ng mga tao doon. Like, parang pamilya na talaga sila. But you know what happened? My manager spoke to me once. Sabi niya, "Josh, magmo-moonlight." Hindi pala moonlight. Sunset. Magsa-sunset yung account. The reason naging overstaff siya kasi konti na yung tumatawag sa amin. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi nasusolusyon na lahat ng problema nila.
Nasobrahan.
Sobra.
Over-deliver talaga.
Na 10x.
Na 10x
Hindi.
talaga.
So dahil nasolusyonan na,
Parang hindi na kayo kailangan.
hindi na kailangan yun. Sabi ko parang mali yun.
Sumobra.
Pangitan nyo kaya yung service sa kanila. Turuan nyo ng mali para tumawag
Oo.
ulit. Ganun.
Sumobra.
Oh,
So, kailangan kailangan magbukas ng tao, ibig sabihin pag ganun? Or,
kilala nila ako, sobrang ng trainer.
oh.
Kasi hindi na mag-hire ulit eh. Hindi na kailangan kasi kailangan kami. Kasi pag may mga hire, kasi laging hire na hire yan.
Ikaw yung mag-ano.
Oh,
Ikaw yung magtitrain.
nag-stagnant na. Mga nasa around 300, 400 yung tao doon eh.
Mhm.
300, 400. I was training we started a company that was like from scratch.
Mhm.
And then we grew it to around 3,000 employees.
Wow. Grabe yun.
Solid.
Sobrang solid nun,
Kami yung
ah.
nag-train simula ng umpisa hanggang sa mga naging trainers na din.
Lumaki na nila.
Kumbaga kami yung Adam and Eve.
Oo.
Oo.
Nagparami na talaga.
Pero hindi sa mawa nangyari yun. Nangyari doon sa next season ng buhay ko.
Okay.
And you know what happened? Ito yung nangyari. Mag-apply ka sa Makati. Ba't sa Makati? Kasi may opening sa QC. Mag-apply
Parang
ka sa
naguluhan
Makati.
din ako dun
Kasi may opening sa QC. Sabi ko, ba yan, QC?
So parang doon ka lang mag-apply, doon ka dadalhin sa Quezon City
Oo.
talaga yung trabaho.
Pero pag natanggap daw ako,
Quezon City.
sa QC, tapos may promotion,
Ano yung promotion na yan?
mas mataas sweldo.
Oh.
Kasi may mga level yung trainer. May associate trainer.
So
Tapos,
yun na talaga yung tinatahak mo no after nun.
may
as trainer na
May
talaga.
trainer 1, trainer 2. So magiging trainer 1 daw ako.
Mhm.
Which is magandang position.
Oo.
Sabi ko, okay.
So yun yung pinangako sa'yo talaga nun.
Pinangako sa akin. Tapos ito pa, trip to the UK.
Grabe yun.
1 month. Sabi ko, okay.
All expense paid.
All expense paid. Kaya lang, problema. Mawawala ako sa MOA. Parang na-build ko na. Feeling ko sikat na ako dun eh.
Mhm.
Gets mo,
Kumbaga
diba?
parang ano mo na yun eh. Baluarte mo na yung
Baluarte,
MOA.
lungga ko na to
Oo.
eh.
Tapos biglang itatapong ka pa QC.
So nagpalit ako sa interview.
Sinadya pala ni Dajos.
Oo.
Oo.
Sa Makati. Sabi ko, papalit ako. So na nagpalit ako, 40, mga around 40 yung interviewin. 7 lang yung kukunin.
Mhm, dami. 40 yun ha. Tapos
40,
7 lang
tas,
matitira.
7 best of the best daw. Mga pinaka-fit at pinaka-magagaling. So hindi ko na ginalingan sa interview.
Mhm.
Kaya lang magaling talaga tayo.
Nag-over-deliver ka naman.
Minimum na nga yun eh. So, joke lang. Feeling ko medyo pinakita ko ng galing. So anyway,
Binigay mo pa rin yung
to cut the long story short, natanggap ako.
Mhm.
So hindi ko alam, like, praise the Lord. Yeah, Lord, thank you. Hindi ko alam kung thank you kasi parang mixed emotions ako nun eh.
Hati yung ano mo.
Hati eh. But, I accepted it anyway. Ito yung problem. Wala nang gigising sa akin.
Solo ka na.
Solo
Magsasolo
na
ka
ako
na.
eh. Pero nag-offer yung best friend ko.
Ano yung offer niya?
Dito ka na magstay. Si Waldo. Sabi niya, QC lang naman eh. Sa Eton Centris eh.
So kasi, before, sa Las Piñas, pamilya mo ang ano,
Pamilya ko
Gigising
kasama
sa'yo.
ko. Gigisingin ako ng mama ko. May baon pa ako sa office.
kompleto. Doon magbubuhay solo ka talaga.
Independent.
Mhm. So buti
Tapos,
nag-offer si
Oo,
Waltz.
sabi ni tita, yung mama ng best friend ko,
Mhm. Ano yung bahay nila?
bahay ng sa mama, sa kapatid ng ni Waldo. No? Wala doon. So kami lang ni Waldo na doon, tsaka yung isa niyang sister.
Mhm.
Pero sabi niya, sige, it's fine, you can stay there. Pero hindi nila alam si Waldo yung binabayaran ko. Sinisigil ako.
Walang alam yung magulang. Sa mga nanonood po ngayon sa pamilya ni Waldo, ito na po yung revelation.
Sinisigil niya ako.
Oo.
Sabi ko, okay, sige. Where's my rent? Gagano siya sa akin. Sa sofa ako natutulog.
Nasingil ba nga?
Oo.
Nasupa ba lang tulog?
Pero enjoy yun kasi yun yung moment na 5 a.m. magigising ako, gym, grind talaga.
Mhm.
Tapos yung uuwi ako ng madaling araw. And then I would rest for a bit as workout, as basa.
That time nag-aaral ka pa rin ito, hindi
I
na?
was studying her.
Talaga? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin?
Yeah. So, I didn't see you in school, man. Gawin nyo kami. May susi pa ako nun. Hindi ko alam kung nasoli ko sa kanya. Hindi ko yata nasoli yung susi.
Nasa'yo pa ata ngayon.
Tapos, ang ending nun, you know, I hated my life. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Stress ako eh. Layo ko sa nanay ko. Layo ko sa lolo-lola ko.
Maagang sinubok talaga.
Pagbalik ko ng UK, excited ako. UK, parang kala mo, rich, crazy Asians kami.
So natuloy yung UK?
Natuloy UK.
Oh my God.
1 month.
Galing.
Doon ako natuto mag-training pa. Kasi we were training for a billion-pound company.
Oh.
Si Richard Branson, yung Virgin group of companies.
So dinala kayo doon para
To learn how to train pa.
galing.
So, sales yun.
Mhm.
Nasa talaga.
Grabe, no? So, yung experience kakaiba rin talaga. And naiuwi mo pa dito sa Pilipinas.
At ngayon, binabalikan ko, grabe si Lord.
Amen.
Kasi lahat ng pinagdaanan, gagamitin mo yan eh. Diba? So parang, yung time na yun, I was like, okay, Lord, ano ba? Thank you. Pero I hated it kasi dumating sa point na hindi ko kasundo yung boss ko. That's number 1. Number 2, yung teammates ko, ilang kami? 7.
Mhm. Yung napiling na pito.
Pinapili, parang top, ganun.
Mhm.
Usually, kapag magagaling lahat, pagalingan. Instead na collaboration, naging competition.
So, kumbaga, paanuhan to. 'Di ba? Palakasan ng hangin.
O,
ng
pataasan
lamig,
ng ihi. Parang,
pataasan ng
"Eto kami,
ihi."
our process is better. Ganyan. So bad trip ako. Sabi ko, ba't ganito? Ang toxic. Instead na nagtutulungan lahat, instead na nagtutulungan, hindi parang hinihila pa baba. Ako pinakabata. So, lagi akong binabash. Actually, umiyak ako sa CR.
Talaga? Kumbaga, nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi ng
Actually,
mga kuya ate mo.
binubuli ako.
Mm.
Shout out to Kina.
Nanonood ba sila ngayon?
Thank you though, thank you.
Yeah.
Salamat sa pagbubuli.
Alam nila to.
Alam nila. Kina knows that.
At ngayon lalo alam na nila.
Kina's one of the best trainers I met, no? Galing siya all the way from Cebu. She believes that Cebuanos are better than people in Manila. No comment, we're all Filipinos. Pero, yun. Adi. Yan, nakaaway ko lagi yan si Adi. Hindi naman pala. Nag-away ba kami ni Adi? Parang passive-aggressive.
Parang nagkakaroon talaga ng...
Passive-aggressive yung parang magkasama kayo, pero, oh no, this is how you do it.
Hindi ko alam kung... Kaibigan mo pa talaga sila after nito.
Hindi ka.
Kumbaga, ano pa rin naman.
Tas si Chai, who's now a training manager. Good job, Chai. Sobrang galing ni Chai. Pero, Chai's like, no, you should do it like this. I hated them so much.
So ngayon nakikita pa rin nila syempre yung ginagawa mo. Sa training pa rin.
Yeah. Pero I knew that was just their way to push me. Or not. Maybe they were... push me or not. Pero maybe they were just...
Pero yun yung experience eh. Yun din yung
that
nagpalakas
was
at
my
nagpatatag
experience
sa'yo.
Oo, kasi lagi akong pinupuna eh. At kung hindi nila ako pinuna, hindi ako
Tama.
mag-improve.
Tama.
Eh, sobrang
So
thank
in a
you.
positive way pa rin.
Yeah,
Tinignan mo pa
actually,
rin.
thank you. Sobrang thank you kay Chai.
Na-challenge din talaga.
Kina. I remember that. Chai, Kina, Adi. Yeah.
Walang the Josh kung wala
grabe.
yung challenge na yun.
Yeah, I had my best friends in the training, si Dudes. No? Mga pangalan eh. No?
Oo.
Dudes. Kami parang mga Waldo din yan.
Dudes.
Yeah, grabe. So, pero for those guys, no, like those ladies actually, like, I felt bullied at that time na kasi ako yung pinaka-batang trainer. That's how you do it. So, inis ako. One time, I locked myself in my training room. Ano ba ginawa ko?
Ano ginawa mo nun?
Umagulgol.
So nilabas mo talaga?
Nalabas ko lahat. Kasi, parang, alam mo yung sobrang stressed ko na.
Mhm.
Yung sweldo na ina-expect ko, wala pa. Hanggang ngayon. Yung sweldo na ina-expect ko, wala pa. So, I wasn't getting what I wanted to get. Yung team na dati kong kasama, parang pamilya. Ngayon,
Clash na ta. Nag-clash na.
clash. Conflict.
Mhm.
No? Toxic. It was like
Yun.
that. Yung boss ko, ayaw ko pa sa boss ko. I hated him. JC Zoreta. Nung umpisa yun, alam niyang mahal na mahal ko siya ngayon. Super. I love you, JC. Pero we hated each other's the way we work. Kasi parang walang dynamics yung team.
Mhm.
So I locked myself in the training room. Kakatapos lang ng training ko. I was crying, man. Super hagulgol. Ito yung tipong, I'm so freaking tired. Ganon. Alala ko yun. Stress
Sumabog na talaga.
Ito yung tipong, as in,
Kumbaga kahit anong bigil,
Please.
naghanap talaga ng...
clinose ko yung nakalock yung training room, wala makakapasok. Walis na yung mga tao eh. Saka parang tapos na sila eh.
Mhm.
Doon ako. Tapos nagpe-play ako ng mga worship song doon. Tapos kinakausap ko si Lord. Parang galit ako kay Lord. Lord, ano ba? Lipat mo ako dito. Ang layo ko sa parents ko. Layo ko sa mama ko. Layo ko sa lolo-lola ko. Dati may nagpapakain sa akin.
Mhm.
Ngayon, kailangan ko pakainin sarili ko. Katabi ko nun matulog. Mucho. Pampatulog. No? Doon ako na-expose sa Yossi.
Lahat ng bisyo halos.
Yeah. So I felt so bad, man. I felt so burdened. And I cried. Hagulgol iyak. It's like, Lord, why is this happening? Maybe, I don't know, maybe, I think we can all relate to this, no? Dadating may mga points talaga na, may mga times when you're gonna feel like you wanna give up.
Tama.
That's what I felt. I wanted to quit. Sabi ko, I just wanna quit. Siguro, doon na ako sa mama ko.
Babalikan na lang.
Sabihin ko, pag-aralin mo na lang ako kahit or stop na lang mo na ako. Bata pa ako eh. pwede naman dyan muna ako eh. Parang yun yung iniisip ko nun. And I wanted to quit. I think we all have felt that moment when, we just wanted to quit. But then, chinat ako ng trainee ko.
Anong sabi sa'yo?
Pangalan ng trainee ko na to si Yellow.
Yellow.
Totoo itong mga ta.
Ang kulit ng pangalan talaga, no?
Yung mga character talaga sa season ng buhay ko na to. Ganda na tong Genesis. Ito yung Genesis season. Sabi ni Yellow sa akin, hindi na to verbatim, pero part to ng book ko. Yung when shift happens. Sana
Ito
pala
na.
dinala ko, no? Parang nakalagay dito. Pero hindi na ako nag-produce ulit eh. When shift happens. Kung gusto niyo ng e-book copy, let me know.
Ayun.
Pwede na mamigay ng
Mag-comment
e-book.
kayo kung nasa YouTube kayo,
Yeah,
Facebook, yan.
Gusto niyo ng e-book copy ng when shift happens. Sa mga taong, alam mo yun, like, you're in a season, you're in a shifting season in your life. Hindi shit ha, shift.
Oo.
Shift. Kasi pag call center ka, tawag namin sa mga schedule namin, shift. Morning shift ka ba? Or evening shift ka ba?
So yung pagpapalit ng ano.
Yung pagbalat. So kami, laging graveyard shift. Graveyard, biro mo, pinapatay ka, graveyard shift. Yun ang tawag sa amin. So yun, gumawa ko ng book. Ang pangalan nun, When Shift Happens. Doon ko sinulat yun. Kasi kunento ko doon yung experience ko. Kwento ko sa'yo. Pinalawa ko doon. Sabi ni Yellow, "Hey Josh, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. I don't know what you're going through, but I want you to know that you're strong. You're amazing." Sabi ko, bad trip to. Pinapayak ako lalo. Kasi tinatanong ko si Lord. Sabi ko, "Lord, saan ka ba? I can't hear you." Like parang, "Lord, nandiyan ka ba?" Alam mo yun? Ganon point. And then Yellow messaged me.
Biglang dumating yun.
"I just want you to know that you are not called a Joshua for nothing." Parang si Lord yung umakausap sa akin. Parang hindi ka pinangalan ng Joshua for nothing.
So, ni-remind ka.
Yeah, kasi ako, the Joshua ngayon, pero in totoong pangalan ko is Joshua.
Joshua.
But Joshua means a leader, a warrior. Joshua is a leader of many people. Siya yung sumunod kay Moses eh. Sabi niya, "You are not called the Joshua for nothing." Ito pa yung sunod na linyang sinabi niya na literal nagpaiyak sa akin lalo. Alam mo sabi niya doon? "I may be quiet on one side, but I see what you're doing."
Grabe.
Legit na parang, "Lord, ikaw ba to?" Kasi parang tahimik man ako, kasi siya yung tahimik na tao eh.
Tapos biglang ganun.
Biglang nag-chat na ganun. Di ba tinatanong ko si Lord kanina? Sabi ko, "Lord, nasaan ka ba? I
Sumagot
can't
bigla.
hear you." Sumagot bigla sa pamamagitan ng chat na yun. "I may be quiet on one side, but I see you."
Grabe si Lord. No? Biglang may pinadalang someone na magiging
Yeah.
messenger para sa'yo.
Yeah, parang, "I may be quiet on one side, but I see you." And then, I remember that time, sabi ko, "Lord, is this you?" And then sabi niya, "Every single day that I attend our class, my spirit is renewed." Parang nabubuhayan daw siya ng spirit. And that's when I realized it. Sabi ko, man, hindi yung money yung magpapapatuloy sa akin. It's not the what, and it's not even my emotions na how I feel about it. Kasi my emotions fluctuate eh. Sometimes I feel good, sometimes I don't feel good. Sometimes we feel good, sometimes we don't. What we have, the money, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not.
Tama.
And money can be stolen away. Pwedeng manakaw sa atin yung pera.
Anytime pwede
So
mawala.
yung sweldo ko, pwedeng mawala sa akin yun. Pwedeng madagdagan yung gastos ko. Even as an entrepreneur now, earning more money than I did before.
Totoo yun. Ang dami.
Pwedeng nandyan yan one time, pwedeng in a snap, mawala sa'yo. So God reminded me, sabi niya, see, it's not the what, and it's not the how that you have to pay attention to. You have to go back to your why. Why are you doing what you're doing? And it brought me back to my mother at that time. I want to give her a good life. Slowly but surely, I want to make sure that my mom has a good life. Hindi pa man mansyon yung nabibigyan natin sa kanya.
Totoo yan.
But, I think 2 years ago, I helped her start her own learning center.
Galing.
And yung isa pang why na pumasok sa isip ko, so why are you doing that? Because you are called to influence. You're called to empower. You are called to activate lives of people around you. Kasi dati pa, before someone prophesied to me and said, you're gonna speak in front of people. Kala ko dati news anchor ako eh. Hindi man ako napunta sa harap ng camera para gumawa ng news. Pero ngayon, pwede na tayo maging parte ng news.
The other way. Galing.
It's the other way, man. Like, I may not be in front of the TV camera, but guess what? We have cameras also right now. And
Minsan
God-
yung mga bagay, di ba? Na parang iniisip kasi natin na doon tayo papunta pero may ibang paraan pa lang Diyos para sa atin.
God prepared me for that season.
Galing.
Now, where I am right now, speaking to people, na iba't ibang mga tao yung nakakausap ko, iba't ibang galit, iba't ibang pain, nabash na din ako on social media. Right?
Ano nangyari nun?
A lot of times, there was just people hating on me, no, about a certain post that I did before. Pero hindi ko ma-handle lahat yun kung unang-una hindi ako nasanay mag-handle ng mga customers na minumura ako.
Yes.
Diba?
So, na-experience mo kasi yun.
Na-experience ko kasi yun. Hindi ako makakapagsabayan ngayon sa iba't ibang mga business owners, sa mga CEOs, mga malalaking tao, if hindi ako natutong mag-isip ng mabilis. And I learned that when I was in school, in broadcasting, I was part of the debate society.
Oh.
Natuto ako makipagdebate. So natuto ako mag-isip kaagad na bago pa nag-iisip yung tao, I already know how to answer. That's why I got in sales. I learned how to handle objections.
Galing.
Na ngayon natuturo ko sa mga tao. I would have never, and I know that God arranges things nang hindi natin napapansin. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindsight eh. Lahat yun, pati yung na-experience namin ng mga kalokohan ni Waldo. And like minsan inisip ko, sana mas dinamihan ko. Pero na-realize ko, yun lang pala yung tamang amount na kinailangan ko. Natikman ko, but God showed me na I'm gonna serve you something else. Natikman ko yung fishball, pero sabi ni Lord, pang steak ka.
Galing. So, preparation pala lahat yun.
Yeah, man, it was preparation. Because I got reminded of my why. And if I quit that time and I stopped learning, I would not be able to speak to hundreds, thousands, influencing millions of people on social media, training people from different countries, different industries, influencing lives of people older than me 2 times, 3 times, 4 times my age. And now I've realized, sabi ko, no, lahat ng pinagdadaanan natin in life, all of that, it's prepared for us. Na lahat ng gusto nating ma-achieve, it's already there.
Exactly.
Like for example, what I'm praying for in 5 years has already happened. All I need to do is step into it, pero kailangan kong pagdaanan yung pagdadaanan ko.
Minsan, pag binalikan mo na, wow, nangyari na pala.
Yeah, and sometimes we would forget to embrace the season.
Yes.
If there was one thing, sana mas in-enjoy ko pa yung season as an employee. To be honest. Sana mas in-enjoy ko pa yung season ko as an employee. Sana dinamihan ko pa yung learning ko. Tamad kasi ako matuto eh. At that time. Ayoko na Excel eh. Pero yung mga kasama ko magaling sa Excel, magaling sa process. Kaya sabi ko, man, if I only had a bit more time there, I would have learned more. Kaya nga minsan gusto ko mag-apply ulit eh.
Bumalik dun sa ano.
Just to learn.
Tama.
Just to learn again. Kasi doon binabayaran kami to learn. Kaya yung mga employees ngayon, huwag mo sabihin na, kailangan magnegosyo, kailangan ganyan kaagad. Unang-una, alamin mo kung bakit mo gusto gawin yun.
Tama.
Tapos, kung nasa isang environment ka, nasa isang company ka, kung saan inaalagaan ka, tinetrain ka, iniingatan ka, sulitin mo yung season mo.
Tama.
Not everyone's made to become an entrepreneur. Not everyone's made to become an employee. But what we're all made for is to live to our full potential. And our potential means to impact the lives of other people around us. Not just our life. We're not created to be selfish. We're created to be selfless, to dominate. And to dominate means to get outside of our comfort zones and to occupy whatever it is that we can occupy. Doon pumasok yung realization ko na, man, this is it. It's my why that's gonna keep me going. And if I had quit, and if I gave up, if I took a different path, I didn't graduate.
So, hindi
I'm an
mo
undergraduate.
natapos
Hindi
yun.
ko natapos because God brought me to another season. It brought me to another season and another
And
season.
for
and
sure, may
another
reason
season.
pa rin yan.
And there was a reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are reasons. Who knows? Maybe there are people, maybe dadating yung point na kailangan ko, I want to go back to school.
Yes.
And dahil may reason nga.
Tama.
Na, okay, kung tinapos ko to, edi wala akong maiisip na kailangan ko bumalik. At hindi ko mamimit si ganito. Minsan din, there's no coincidence in life.
Tama.
every small thing is a part of a bigger thing.
And I think kahit yung mga nakikinig ngayon dito, hindi insidente, hindi
Yeah.
aksidente na na nakikinig sila ngayon dito. No?
Oh yeah, man. 100%. I don't know. Life is, there's this thing called the butterfly effect. Have you heard of that?
Mhm.
The butterfly effect, it's yung butterfly kapag lipad niya, yung paglipad ng isang butterfly, no, paro G. Yeah.
Iba pala yun.
Yung paglipad ng isang butterfly nakakaapekto sa buong mundo daw.
Paano nangyayari yun?
So for example, technically they just use that concept, pero a small thing, for example, naiwanan mo yung susi mo,
Mhm.
tapos ang ending na patong-patong, ang ending na sunugan ka ng bahay.
Mhm.
Ganon, no?
So, ganun kalala ang
Ganun
possible
kalala.
effect nun.
Ang ending, biglang nag-break kayo ng jowa mo. Ganon. Ang ending, na kung naalala mo lang yung part na yon, sana hindi mangyari yun.
Mhm.
Parang alam mo yung Jologs
Mhm.
na movie, hindi?
Sila Julina. Tama ba? Tama
Yun
ba?
ba yun, Jologs? Alam
Alam
mo yun?
ko, parang sila yung nun.
pero
Hindi ko
may-
lang maalala yung kwento.
May movie na Jologs, tapos yung may kanta pa yun na, what is life to offer me
So,
when I
Rico
grow
yan ba yan? Hindi ko na
old?
maalala eh.
Si Rico yan yata, ikaw mo na dyan. Pero
Tama ba?
yung Jologs movie, ganda no, kasi konektado lahat ng buhay ng tao.
Mhm.
Yung parang may isang, galing nga na
So, parang yung eksena ni dito.
Yung eksena dito, tapos biglang babalik naman doon, siya yung nandun lang na extra lang siya kasi sa eksena ng isang,
Pero may kwento rin siyang
may
sarili.
kwenta, tapos sa dulo na nagkita-kita sila lahat.
So, ganun din tayo.
Ganun din tayo. May kanya-kanya tayong movie.
Konektado.
May movie ka, may movie ako, buhay mo, movie mo,
Parang
buhay
sa
ko, movie
diba?
ko.
Tama ba sa Marvel? Diba minsan nakikita pala sa isang part si ganito.
Yes.
Si ganito. Diba?
Si ano yun, alam mo sa Loki.
Mhm.
Diba? Yung parang, diba, nandun yung mga Avengers, tapos nawala si Loki, yung pala may iba siyang movie.
Yun, no? Connected pala sa isa't isa.
Yeah, man, like, all of us were connected. Pero,
So, isa lang ang magkamali dyan. Damay lahat. Parang ganoon.
yeah, pero one thing is for sure though, ikaw yung bida sa buhay mo.
I agree.
And if maaga mong tatapusin yung movie mo, sayang naman.
Tama.
Walang bida. Ako hindi ako naniniwala na wala na si Iron Man.
Ano to ha? Maagang ano to.
Malay mo, di ba? Malay mo.
Tama, oh.
But like, for me, it's just it's just a reminder for us na if you are the lead, the main character, sabi nila, alam mo yung uso ngayon, di ba? Main character to masyado. Pag sinabihan ka main character ng mga tao, sabi mo, thank you, malamang. Alam ka naman ikaw main character ng buhay ko.
Tama. Ano yung bida dito?
Yeah, alam ko na ikaw, buhay ko to.
Dapat ako bida-bida dito.
Bida talaga ako, buhay ko to eh. Diba? So, maging bida ka din ng buhay mo. People need to understand that na you have to be the main character of your life. But ultimately, I may be the main character, but I don't want to be the director of my life. And I want to let God do the directing. Siya si direct, siya producer, artista lang ako.
Ikaw ang gaganap.
Just tell me what to do.
Ganda nun.
Just tell me what to do. Lights, cameras, action. I'll do what you say.
Kasi minsan tayo na yung nagdidirekta ng buhay rin natin.
Yeah, and that's when it becomes problematic. Kasi when you're directing your own life, hindi mo nakikita yung kilos mo. You can't be the director to your own show.
Tama.
There has to be someone else who sees it. And God doesn't just see it in one view. He doesn't just see it in one perspective. Parang ngayon sa podcast natin, di ba? Daming camera niyan. Kita yung iba't ibang angle, di ba? Iba't ibang side natin. It's the same thing. God sees it from a different perspective. God sees it from, He sees the beginning, He sees the end, He sees you during. And the best part is, He is already there where you are still hoping for. What I mean is, you are hoping for this in 5 years. God's already there. Nangyari na.
Baga, tapos na. Ganda na.
Tapos na. Nangyari na. Eh, nandun na si Lord. Ito, tapos na.
Mhm.
Yung kanina pinag-usapan natin, tapos,
Tapos na.
Pero yung mamaya, tapos na din yun, pero hindi pa nangyari.
Kumbaga, ahead of time nangyari na yun.
Ahead
Sa
of
kanya.
time. Because God is not limited by time.
Tama.
Diba? So, that's life. If we talk about that, it's gonna be 8 hours. guys.
Grabe. At umaabot na nga po kami ng 1.5 oras ngayon.
Grabe.
Joke lang. Pero I think, ayun na. Kumbaga, mahaba na yung usapan namin ni The Josh. Ang dami pang pwedeng
Yeah.
pag-usapan.
No, we can
Pero
talk about a
ayun,
lot.
dito,
Lalo
I
na
think,
pag madaming
ngayon lang
steak.
to napag-usapan ng ganito kahaba kung paano nagsimula, di ba, ang voice box talaga. Na ngayon, ang dami nang ni-influence na tao. Si The Josh nandun sa amin sa Create TV last time, no? Talagang ang daming na-empowered din na tao doon. Yung mga classmates ko doon,
Yeah.
yung mga nakasama ko doon, no? And even yung mga ano namin, yung mga nagturo sa amin doon, talagang, kumbaga, na-activate din lahat.
I always feel honored whenever I'm given a chance to speak to people, no? Kasi lagi kong iniisip talaga na sa bawat taong makakausap ko, that's an opportunity to influence not just one life,
Mhm.
but to influence the lives that that person is influencing. For example, ikaw, when I get to speak to you and I influence you in one way, I'm also influencing your influence.
Yes.
Kasi nga may impact eh. Diba? Just like, for example, the way I think right now is influenced by what I read, who I listen to, what I do. Yun yung power ng influence eh. Kaya, like speaking to different executives, business owners, imagine mo magtatanong sa'yo, 50 plus years old na one of my clients, no?
Mhm.
Already on his 50s.
Yung mga medyo nakakataas ng edad sa atin.
Yeah. Handles 300 salespeople.
Grabe, ang dami rin.
Yeah. Does around 4 billion in sales.
Wow.
Pero magtatanong sa'yo at tatawagan akong coach. Coach, how would you handle this?
Kumusta yung pakiramdam na ganun? Siyempre, diba?
Well, unang-una, I'm humbled.
Mhm.
Parang, wow, that means if siya na, ganun na siya, still willing to learn,
Tama eh. Diba?
what more? Eh, madaming tao na, okay na ako. Diyan tayo mamamatay when we stop growing.
Mhm. Okay na ako sa ganun.
Yeah,
parang.
okay na ako sa ganito. Pwede na to. Okay na yan.
Ang galing.
Nagsisettle ka sa fishbowl. Sa quick-quick.
Dapat steak ang...
Pang steak.
Anyway, no. Ayun, humahaba na lalang usapan namin. Alam ko, marami pa kayong gustong marinig sa usapan na to, no?
Yeah.
But right now, The Josh, saan papunta ngayon ang Voice Box, no?
Oh,
Ayan.
that's amazing. So, VoiceBox, our company right now, we're focused on selling a product. No? We have a product, it's called VAST. Ibig sabihin nito, it's VoiceBox Advanced Sales Training. So basically, if business owner ka,
Mhm.
and let's say for example, may sales team ka, whether kahit anong industry pa yan, as long as may mga tao ka, we have different clients from different industries. We serve people in the automotive. We serve people in
So, ang dami.
insurance. We serve people in real estate. We serve people in retail, e-commerce. Meron pa nga nagbebenta ng mga gamit sa ship, sa barko.
Talaga?
Yeah, oh.
Nakarating na rin kayo dun sa ano na
Yeah,
yun?
sa ganung industries. We have people who are selling luggages,
Mhm.
travel and tours, iba-iba.
As long as kailangan ng sales team,
And everyone,
kailangan ng...
and everyone has sales, right?
Wow. Yes, totoo naman yun.
Everyone, and if you have a sales team, we created a way kung saan you can get your people trained every day for 1 year.
Kakaiba yun. Ang lupit
Yeah.
nun,
Kasi
Parang
na-
wala pa nag-offer na iba ng ganyan.
Wala. Because this is the first in the Philippines that offered it this way. We created this program kasi nakita namin yung gap that we see that most of the time when people get training, ang ending is they just have a one-night stand.
Mhm.
Kumbaga, training sila ngayon,
Mhm.
tapos bukas kalimutan na.
Kumbaga, wala na yung fire.
Yeah, there's no fire.
Dun sa training, yung sobrang apoy eh. Kinabukasan, wala na.
Wala na, kakalimutan na. Enjoy
Mhm.
tayo ngayon, kalimutan na bukas. Right? They treat it like an antibiotic.
Mhm.
Na i-take lang natin yung antibiotic kapag malala na yung sakit.
Yun.
So we did something different. With VAST, it's a vitamin.
So, everyday.
Every
nagtitake
day.
sila.
Parang
Shield C+.
Shield C+. na
Naku.
kailangan i-take every
Yan.
day.
Mhm.
Right? Kasi bali wala lang yan. Whether may sakit ka or wala kang sakit, i-take mo.
Tama.
Kasi kaya mo siya tinitake, it's to maintain and improve your existing performance. Ganun yung VAST.
Ang ganda nun.
Ganun yung VAST. So, we created that kung saan they take training every day for 5 to 15 minutes lang. Hindi ganun katagal.
Oo, saglitan lang.
Saglitan lang.
So,
5 to
parang nag-take ka lang talaga ng vitamins.
Kung kaya lang tumae every day, kaya lang
Oo.
mag-training.
Galing.
Kung kaya nilang mag-toothbrush every day,
Kaya nila mag-training.
kaya nilang mag-training.
Ang ganda ng bus na yan. no?
Yun yung concept ng VAST. No? So, and it's a 1-year training contract.
Mhm.
Some people, they get 2 years, no? Kasi alam nilang long-term talaga. And meaning, when you get it once. As long as you're part of the program, you get support. We get to
So,
train your
tuloy-tuloy yan. Every day
yung
may
team leaders
bagong...
mo, tinitrain namin. Yung new managers mo, tinitrain namin. Even if mag-hire ka ng panibagong tao,
Mhm.
pasok sila sa panibagong program.
Ang galing.
Every day.
Ang lupit nun
Yeah, and binabantayan namin sila.
Tutok talaga.
Totoo. Kasi malalaman namin kung nagtitake sila or hindi. Kasi may
Oh.
naka-assign na tao sa kanila.
So pag ininag, may someone na talaga.
Iko-call out yung CEO
Ang
nila.
galing.
Sasabihin namin, your team is not training.
So monitor niya rin talaga.
Monitor namin.
Ang
And
ganda nun.
we have seen people increase their sales from 20% within the first 2 months to as high as 79% within 1 quarter.
Galing.
That's
Ganun yung impact nun,
Yeah,
ganun kabigat yun.
79% increase from 1 quarter to the next quarter.
Grabe yung impact, no?
Yeah. So that's where VoiceBox is at now. Ino-offer namin to sa mga business owners. It's called VoiceBox Advanced Sales Training.
So,
And hindi lang sales Hindi lang sales.
Ano pa yung ginagawa?
Personal growth pasok doon. Yung why. Yung sinasabi ko na huwag kang mag-quit. Pinapasa natin sa tao yun. Kasi yun yung kailangan nila eh.
Tama.
Kaya may technical tayo. Madaming technical. Pero madami din na kailangan hukayin mo muna yung puso ng
Tama.
tao. Kasi walang time yung business owner na gawin yun eh.
Tama, hindi mo na mahaano yun eh. Kumbaga, trabaho na agad.
Yeah.
Trabaho na agad.
Tsaka ang trabaho ng business owner is palawakin yung business. Like, how do I expand
Hindi na
the
kaya
vision?
ng business owner na, kumbaga, tutukan pa yun na isa-isa yung mga tao na yun.
100%. And that's where VAST comes in. That's where VoiceBox comes in. We take care of your people. You take care of growing the business.
Ang galing. So, paano nila ma-avail to? Gusto nila?
Well, if they want to get it, there's probably a website that you're going to see here somewhere. We're going to put a link there. Or,
Yes. Lalabas natin.
yeah, we're just going to put a link there. Or you can just hit me up in my page, The Josh. You can send me a private message. We'll be more than
At
glad
ano
to
ang
assist.
special offer daw ng voice box dito kay Papasundot? Dito sa
sakto.
TWPS.
Yeah,
Ayan.
sakto.
Sa mga nakikinig, syempre. sa atin.
Yeah. So those people who are listening and you're watching right now, we're gonna give you guys a free. Let's say for example, makuha mo yung VAS, no? You get to avail it. We're gonna include a free live training on top of that. No?
So, pupunta
For your
kayo
team.
dun.
Yeah, we're gonna go to your place. Ako mismo, I'll personally go there. Sabihin mo lang yung #VASSundot.
So, yun yung promo code.
Vasundot,
Vasundot. Automatic pupuntahan kayo dyan.
VASSundot.
Ang lupit ng na.
Yeah.
Anyway, ang dami ko natutunan sa episode na to. At syempre, ngayon ko lang narinig yung mga storya na yan.
Totoo,
Sa 4 na
ngayon
taon na
okay.
magkakilala tayo.
Nice.
Ang dami mo na talagang, kumbaga, na bagong buhay din.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi hindi talaga basta-basta yan eh.
Right.
Yung pagko-coach, di ba? Yung life lesson, di ba? Sabi mo nga, experience lahat yan, pinag-aralan lahat. Hindi rin basta-basta.
Great.
At maraming salamat syempre sa pagpapaunlak. At syempre, follow or subscribe nyo si The Josh. Yan sa kanyang page syempre, no?
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.
Ayun.
Thank you for listening.
Kung may mga babatiin ka pala yan, sino-sino yung mga yan? Baka may gusto
Yeah,
ko
of
shoutout.
course.
Bago
Well,
ang lahat, syempre.
Of course, shout out to the entire VoiceBox team, to anyone who's watching, and to all our VAST partners, no, sa mga existing partners natin in VAST. You guys know who you are. We want to thank you for the continuous support. And of course, want to give a shout out to my amazing family, my kids,
Yes.
and my amazing and beautiful wife, Jack. Thank you so much
Coach
for
Jack.
always loving me and being there for me.
Wow, napakatamis talaga ni The Josh.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, talagang, ewan ko na lang.
Kaya
Anyway.
nakakalima eh.
Oo, di ba? Yung pala ang
Oh,
mga
may
sikreto
panganim
doon.
pa.
Oo. Hoping na, ayan, soon magkaroon kami ng collaboration ni The Josh, no? Pinag-usapan namin kanina, what if magkaroon tayo ng radio
Yes,
station.
sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Abangan niya yan.
Abangan niya yan.
Malay mo, gawa na. By the time na maano to.
Oo
Kasi ang
nga.
dami mo nang nakaipon na podcast.
Pwede, oo. Yun eh. Kumbaga, mas marami tayong ma-reach out. Yun naman yung
exciting
purpose
yan,
talaga
exciting.
ng TWPS, ng Voice Box, no? To reach out more people, no?
Yeah, we
Sa
can
kanilang
influence. We can influence a lot of
Yes.
people.
Lalo na lalo ngayon sa social media, ang dami ng influencer, kung ano-anong binibigay na, di ba, bagay.
Solid yun. Tapos
Yeah.
set dito. Solid yun.
Yan.
Welcome to DWS. Yeah.
So yun, maraming salamat again, once again, The Josh, ayan, or Coach Josh.
10X.
10X tayo dyan.
Kwento namin next time kung ano ibig sabihin ng 10X.
Yan, another story yan. At sa
Another
podcast
story.
mo siguro yan na
Yeah.
naririnig. Ayan, tayo naman bibisita minsan sa kanyang podcast.
Yes, sir.
Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood dito sa TWPS. It's another episode. I hope marami kayong natutunan dito. Ayan, para sa mga nagda-drive, no? Dami nakikinig sa atin sa Spotify right now. So, pwede nyo na may stream tong TWPS or Talk with Papasundot sa Spotify, of course. And syempre sa YouTube, no? You can like and subscribe sa ating video. At ayan, sabi nga ni The Josh kanina, i-comment nyo yan sa mga gusto makatanggap ng regalo ni The Josh sa inyo. No? Yung kanyang librong naisulat, no? Yung ship nga. So, yan, para sa mga gustong makuha yon, so comment lang kayo dyan. And syempre, don't forget to follow our Facebook page, papasundot.tv. At ayan, so Once again, maraming salamat. At kita-kits ulit tayo sa ating next episode mga kasundot. God bless!